Well, the rally track is now quiet for a little while. The scramble's over for another hour, and here we are. There is literally hundreds upon hundreds of people here. This is a well-attended, beautiful, beautiful scramble here today, with the sun blaring down. Men and women out to fight for their places. This is Hagfors Commune at its best. When you're at the scramble track, you can always book a room in the Värmland Hotel in Uddeholm. That's the Värmland Hotel in Uddeholm when you're coming to the scramble track for a weekend. The next race is in 1 hour. So here is one of the men in his boxer shorts. One of the men that goes out there, and look at the muscles on him. This is a good-looking man in all ways. And there are his bikes. And this is his co-pilots. Tractors are out. The stewards are out. Everything's getting ready for this very first part of the race. 2 laps round. And here they go. Well, these boys are getting ready for it now. Listen to that music. The music of bikes. The mad men and women of motocross. Movement here down at Hagfors's scrambling track. And here they are. Many of them are limping. That must have been a bad first practice. Well, they certainly look in position now. But wait for the noise. Has got his thumbs up. This is when the noise starts. special. Those men and those women are just going for it. I can now hear them in the distance, and soon they'll be round. I'm taking this jump straight in front of me. Here's the first one, and here he goes. Here they go. as I leave this fantastic place, I've got to say, this is a brilliant sport, and this is a brilliant track here in Hagfors. If you want to have a fun day out, I suggest you come and watch this fantastic sport. The spectacular situation here at Hagfors, with the bikes, the people, and the kit that these people have is incredible. They are totally dedicated to this fantastic sport, and we are so lucky, as I say, in Hagfors commune to have such facilities. It's a community of 11,500 people, but we have the assets of a large city. Fantastic day, fantastic rally, fantastic people here at the track today. And I'll just show you last. Look at these people, look at these bikes, and realise this is Hagfors commune.